I think, no, don't worry, just forget about it. Nothing will happen, don't worry.
Rena, this is not the kind of matter that can be swept under the carpet. I saw anger in harming you in her eyes.
And I said you should forget about it. They cannot do anything. See, I am bigger than them. So that is why I'm sure that they can't do anything to me.
Okay, if you say so, you just have to be very careful. I said so,
and I'm careful. You're just bothering yourself too much. I made something. What do I offer you?
What did you cook?
Bitter leaf soup.
No. I'm very hungry. I beg. Give me something.
You eat. Don't condemn me to when you taste it. I'll come.
Kenny, how did he go?
Can you believe that that little idiot said that I must tell her what I'm going to do with the money before she can give it to me?
She did?
Of course. And I don't blame her. Mpanyi is the one doing all this. He wants to hide under Urenna to humiliate us. It's not going to work.
Yeah. Oh. But wait first, Kenny. Are you saying she didn't give you any money at all?
Urenna did not give me any shishi.
So, what are we going to do now? This is serious. How do we even feed today?
I don't have answers to that question. I can't even believe it. That useless child, that stupid fool, sat on my very before and say to my face that I have to present a business plan in written to her. Urenna said it to my face without being scared of what I am going to do to her.
That's got to... Business what?
Plan in written.
Kenny, what are we going to do?
She has just killed herself.
What do you mean?
Just leave that part for me. I'm going to handle her.
Kenny, I beg, I feel get like 3K from you. There's something I want to buy.
Mira, myself, I'm not gonna understand you again. I just explain everything now. I look like a person who get 3K. I get 3K now. My condition dey like this. If I go fit, if no be say the man just the guide himself, or just melt 1 or 2, make I take the okay. I don't want to see finish from buying and do that now. He said I give you the 3K. Just go and check my card. There's one single phone, no even the inside.
I guess you now have a business plan.
Yes.
Fine. So, can I see it?
I want to go into importation of baby wears, ranging from their clothes and shoes.
That's good. So, did you also conduct a feasibility study for the business?
Everything is in my head.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that? Everything is in your head. So I should cut off your head and submit to the company as a business proposal? I don't understand. Do you think I'm joking with you? No, I should cut off your head and submit to the company as a business proposal, right? Do you think I'm jobless? Am I joking with you?
Listen to me. There is nothing difficult for you not to understand here. You requested for a business plan and I just came up with the idea of importation of baby wears. I don't understand this.
Obvious, young man. It is very obvious you didn't understand what I asked you to get. A business plan is a written document that should have the business you intend doing, how you intend growing it, expanding it, and so on. It's not about just talking out.
I can see that you want to insult me, but it's not going to work. It is not going to work, and I am going to have that money, whether you like it or not. I must have that money. Okay. What is your problem?
Let me see how you will get the money.
Is that what you are saying?
Yes.
You are very, very sick.
You two are very...
Is that dragging man?
You could have just come with a knife. Let me cut off your head.
Are you mad?
You could have come with a knife.
Are you mad?
You probably cut your head yourself and bring it to me.
You asked me to bring a business plan and I come up with an idea.
Please, young man, leave my office right now.
Is it your money?
Leave my office.
Is this your office? Are you sick? Nonsense! I'm talking and you're pressing the phone. Urenna, we shall see. If I go, is it you? We shall see.
Good afternoon, sir.
Amora, good afternoon. How are you doing today?
I'm fine, sir.
Please sit down.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You said over the phone there is something you want to discuss with me.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Okay, sir. 2 days ago, Miracle, your daughter, called me for a meeting. And in that meeting, she said that Urenna is standing on their way. And if she doesn't get out of their way, that they are going to deal with her. You see, I spoke to Urenna about it, but she didn't take me serious. Sir, I must be honest with you. I saw anger and determination to harm Urenna in Miracle's eyes.
Well, I must have to thank you for finding courage to bring this to my notice. I appreciate. And I will take it up from there.
Okay, sir.
Good.
I will have to take my leave, sir.
Yes, hold on. Let me get you something for transport. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Kenneth, she's right.
Miracle. Don't tell me that you're already supporting her.
Of course I'm not supporting her. But every business plan must be documented. You do not expect her to just give you money simply because you say you need it.
I don't understand your point. Are you indirectly telling me now I should go and sit and write a business proposal for ordinary Urenna, that little girl?
Kenny, that little girl ceases to be a small child the moment Dad handed everything to her. The position she occupies now is beginning to get into her head. And the best thing we can do is to play along with her tactics.
Never. I am not going to play along. I will not do it. I need money badly and she will be the one. Urenna will be the one that will give me that money.
Of course you will. Just play her. If you do not know how to get a business plan, you can consult an AI. That way you will submit to her and you get your money. Okay?
I don't understand. Eh? What kind of suffering is this? Does she enjoy tossing me around?
Kenny, we have to do what we have to do first. The questions can come later.
Well, I know you will be wondering why I sent for you. I sent for you because I heard it on good note that you people are planning to harm Urenna. Why? May I know why?
Who told you?
Well, it is not your business to bother yourself about who told me. I learned it on good authority that you people are planning to harm Urenna. And I have called you here to warn you. Stay very far away from that young woman or you will have me to contend with.
Daddy, I'm very much aware that Urenna told you this. But we have no such plans.
I was not actually expecting you to agree. You will always deny. I know. But let me tell you, whatever plan you are setting up, dismantle it, or you will have me to contend with.
That would be nice.
Take. That is for your transport.
Bye.
That...
Urenna is actually holding chief with a very strong charm.
I swear.
Didn't I tell you people? When I was telling you people you think I am joking, have you seen it? Unafugia. Now you can understand me better.
Mine. This is the check of 1 million naira without any name. I will just write my name here and go and claim the money immediately.
You must be very stupid. How can you write a name in a check my own husband gave to me?
My father here actually, he gave the check to me now.
Mommy, why do you always claim that when money is involved? No, you cannot do that.
What is this? What is this? To have access to my own father's money, I have to present a business proposal. When will all this one end?
Ini, what is it? Look for?
I don't know how I am going to get this business proposal. A business proposal that will convince Urenna to give me this money.
It's fine, let me see what you've written.
I have not even written anything because I don't know what to write. Look at it. I have not written anything. Look at it.
Kene, I thought I told you to use an AI.
This is the problem I'm having with each and every one of you. You people are telling me use AI, use AI. What is AI and where is AI from?
Wait, you mean you don't know what an AI is or how to use it?
Listen, I don't want you to insult me. After all, if I get this money now, you will be the one to squander it. If you can use this your so-called AI, come and start using it immediately. We don't have time. Come and use it. Go, come and use the AI.
Honestly, Kenneth, sometimes you act dumb. It's fine, let me just tell. Now that the plan to take Urenna out of the way is scattered, what do we do?
Our best option right now is to go after Mbany.
How do you mean?
Taking him out of the way.
Wait. How? Wait, are you in any way insinuating we should kill our father?
Yes, of course. A dad who will not help his children to live better does not deserve to live. In that case, we have to take him out of the way.
It has not gotten to the point of killing my husband. That man is my husband and is your father.
Mine, at this point, it has gotten to that extent. For the past 5 years, this man has refused to take good care of us. We beg him for money. He will not give us a reasonable amount of money. We will beg him to change our cars. Mpanye will refuse. So, of what use is he to us? The best thing we should do now is to take him out of the way so that we can face Urenna. Yes, once we take him out of the way, Urenna will now be very small. I will finish her up.
Honestly, Kenneth, I'm beginning to see reasons with what you just said.
Good.
Okay. If we take our father out of the picture, Urenna becomes easier.
Oh.
Because it's actually our father that is supporting Urenna. That way, if we take him out of the picture, it will be very easy to Emma's our father as well.
Very, very fantastic.
We'll drive any kind of car we want to drive.
Mm?
Go to Hawaii, Dubai, wherever, Maldives.
Yes, me, I'm going for Rolls Royce Phantom. Yes. Or 20 or the latest model G-Wagon. That's what I want.
Please, Kenna, easy. Your own thoughts are haywire. What's this one?
Am I not the next of kin?
Okay. Who am I? Since the both of you have made up your mind, I will not be a stumbling block to what we want to achieve.
Good. That's my mother speaking.
So, how do we go about it now?
This is where I will now follow. Miracle here will be the best person to do that job. Yes, because after everything that happened, despite all the wrongs we did before, he still trusts you. So, I am appointing you now to do that job. You are the best candidate for that.
How? Hey, see the latest CEO in town. Wow.
How are you doing?
I'm doing okay.
I hope it wasn't hard for you to look at this place.
For where? No. This place is very beautiful. Wow.
Thank you. So please, can I have your CV? Did you come with it?
I rather forget myself than to forget the CEO. Look at it here. Oh.
Let me just make sure it's... Okay, you studied business management.
Yes.
Nice. So I know where to fix you.
And I'll work optimally if you fix me anywhere.
Okay. That is why I'll fix you in a good place.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
But you came late. I was
Sorry.
about leaving.
So sorry.
So next time you shouldn't come late.
I won't.
Alright. Let's go.
Who be that now?
I'm sorry, Dad.
I need to know. What are you doing here and why are you carrying a bag?
Dad, I've come to realize that you're innocent of all Mom accused you of. I'm sorry.
Are you serious?
Yes. Daddy, please find a place in your heart and forgive. She sowed the seed of discord and disunity between us. I'm sorry, I've turned a new leaf. Please forgive me, Daddy.
You've turned a new leaf?
Yes.
And now you realize I am innocent of all your mother's accusations?
Yes, Daddy.
This is interesting. This is the most beautiful part of all these things is that you now know I am innocent. That is the only thing that matters to me.
Yes, you're a man of honor, Daddy, and I promise to be of good behavior from now on. I'm changed.
This is nice. Stand up. Stand up.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Daddy.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you, Daddy.
Take your bag inside. Your room is still there. It has always been there.
Thank you, Daddy.
Take your things inside. We will talk later. This is nice.
I just pray Mira succeeds. I pray. Hafa.
Guess what, Mommy? He accepted me back.
Oh, beautiful.
So, what next?
Just go to the kitchen and prepare his favorite and then lace it with that poison.
Remind me again, what's his favorite food?
And then get him a soft fufu to go down with it. That's it.
Okay, Mommy, I'll do just that.
And I'll be waiting to hear from you. Yeah?
Okay.
I can see there is something you are itching to say.
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Sir, you know you say I dey like mind my business chief for this compound, but for this one I no go let am. I no fit keep quiet.
What is it?
You see as you just accept am and you just allow me enter compound, relax. You know, you even tell me enter house. You can't go relax, and you go dey inside now relax. No. This one no stew.
Why will you say that?
Wetin these people don do you before? You suppose dey like go dey inside brain say yes, these people dey do me bad thing. You no be say you be gallant man like this now. All this thing now, if they for don dey talk about say you don poof. No good though. I know me, I know.
Well, I am not going to claim I do not know where you are coming from. But you need to understand she is my daughter. She is my family. And I've always been praying for a day to come when they will realize they are making a mistake and come back to their senses. Now that it is happening, do you think I would throw that out? No.
Yeah, me no dey talk say me throw am out. I don't know, my mind dey tell me say this guy no carry better mind come back.
It's okay. It's okay. I thank you very much for your concern, but I will be fine. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Take care, sir. Thank you, sir.
Here is the business proposal.
You're just leaving here tomorrow. I'll go through it and get back to you.
I don't understand. I thought you were supposed to go through it, then wire the money into my account immediately.
Is it that you didn't get what I said? I said I will go through it tomorrow. After that, I'll make amends where necessary, then call you to come defend what you wrote.
I don't understand what you are trying to say. I should come and sit down and defend what I copied from AI.
What you copied from AI? You're very shameless.
Eh?
You're so shameless. What do you mean by what you copied? Just a business proposal, a business plan. You want to copy from AI. Okay, fine. I don't have any problem with that. You can call the AI to come and defend it for you. I don't mind.
You are very, very stupid. I can see that you are sick in the head.
Please don't insult me again. Don't do it.
And if I insult you, what are you going to do? Why will you ask me to go and write a business proposal when you know very well that you are not going to give me the money? Are you mad? You are not the owner of this money. Sign this money into my account. What is the problem?
You are not going to beat me, or will you? Will you beat me?
Okay, because you know that I'm not going to beat you. That is why you are doing this to me.
Yes. You can't do anything to me. You have to dance to my beat.
Why should I dance to your beat?
Fine.
Are you the owner of this company?
Just leave! Leave! Stop stressing me. Leave!
I don't blame you. I'm buying them. I'm buying them.
Get the hell out of my office!
If you shout at me again, I'm going to forget the fact that you are my little sister and beat the hell out of you.
Beat me. Then do it. Do it and rot in jail. Beat me and rot in jail. Is it because I'm respecting you? No, slap me and rot in jail.
Daddy, your food is ready.
You cooked?
Yes.
What did you cook?
I made your favorites. Onipo, mangala, oboroko, everything you like.
That means I'm going to enjoy myself today.
What are you doing here?
Welcome, Uri. I apologize to Daddy and I'm here to make amends.
Not yet. What? In fact, leave this house now.
You didn't say that.
I said it. Leave now.
Uri, can you stop? We're still sisters.
I'll call the security to bundle you out. Just leave.
You won't do that.
Ndoka! Ndoka! Please bundle her out of this house now.
Wait.
Uri, see, we can talk, Daddy. You need to talk to her. You cannot watch her tell me to go out of my
Bundle
house.
her out of this compound now.
Daddy, say something. Uri, Daddy, say. Don't push me. I ain't saying. No, don't. Leave me alone. Can you leave? Stop pushing me. I ain't saying. Leave me alone. Daddy, leave me alone. Daddy.
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Hey.
Open this gate.
It's fine. The good news is that I'm now used to the stress.
But I told you. I told you will get used to it. Good thing you have gotten used to it.
Yes. Let me go and freshen up.
It's alright. Just go in and take charge of things. Problem here and there.
And it is very obvious that Urenna does not want to give me money. That is why she is coming up with all this useless business proposal. It is very clear to me, and I am done with this nonsense. I am done. I am done being humiliated by that useless little child. A small girl I know the very first day she came into this world. I am done. The next time I am going to visit that office, nonsense. I don't blame you. Mbani can blame you.
Mira. Is he dead?
No.
Eh? Why did you come back now?
Mom, I laced his food with the poison.
Mm-hmm.
And I came to call him that his food was ready.
Ginemezi.
He was excited I made his favorite meal. Mm-hmm. And boom! Rena came from nowhere and ordered me out of my father's house.
Eh? Hey! Hey! So, what did your father say or do when Rena ordered you out of the house?
Eh? He practically did nothing.
Huh?
Oh, God. Mom.
So your father did not do anything. He just watched Urena order you out of the house.
God. Mommy needed to see the way I was bundled out of my father's compound like a criminal. I have never been humiliated, tortured like that in my life. I feel so much pain.
Where is your bag, your stroller?
It's in the passage.
Don't worry. I will make sure you go back there to complete this mission.
Why is that hatred? Oh, tell me why, tell me why, tell me why. Oh, why is that hatred? Tell me why, tell me why, tell me why. Oh, why is that hatred?
when I met you at home.
What do you want?
Miracle told me what happened here yesterday, and I came to know why you allow such thing to happen.
So many things happened here yesterday. Which of them are you referring to?
Urenna ordered her out of this house, and you were there. You did not do anything or say anything.
That is absolutely correct.
Please, may I know why?
The reason is very simple. Your exit from this house with Keneshuku and the miracle dismantled whatever structure you believe you had here. Okay? There is a new order now. Urenna is the one in charge of things. In fact, she is the one in charge of this house. I can actually say that this house belongs to her. So whoever she decides to allow to stay, stays. And whoever she sacks, or is sacked. It's as simple as that.
Chief, you're taking this too far, and I don't like it.
You actually know why I came out here to sit and wait for you? Because my good man called me to let me know you have been outside making noise. Now that you have said what you believe you came to say, can I please be left alone?
That I'm making noise. Okay, that's by the way. The other day I came here, I complained to you that my car is bad, that I need a new car. You did not say anything up until now.
I did not say anything about it because I am no longer the one in charge of the family business. The family business now has a new administrator. And if you believe you need a new car and you believe that that new car must come from the family business, then you go and discuss with the new administrator. And I am certain that if the new administrator believes that you need a car, she is going to give you the new car. It's as simple as that.
Chimo, please, may I know who this new administrator is?
Beautiful daughter of mine, Urenna Umam. She is the new administrator.
So I should go and meet that little brat to complain about my car?
Listen, you may say anything you want to say, but I am not going to allow you to say demeaning things about my daughter. Not even try it.
Chief, this is a big slap on my face, and I will not take it.
And the slap is going to continue. You slapped yourself the very minute you decided to leave this place with your children. If you are not careful the way you are going, the slap is going to remain permanent. Honestly.
Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm not just saying it. I am communicating this to you. And I thank God you are here listening to me one-on-one.
Okay. Where is Urenna? Where is she?
Oh, man.
Where is that Urenna? Hey, please. Keep this greeting to yourself. I don't need it.
What is the problem?
I don't want anything. Please, I don't need your problem now. Okay? Your father said I should tell you about my car so that you send me money to renew my car. And the worth of the car I want to buy is 50 million naira. Please, can you send it now? I don't have time.
So what is the name of the car you intend buying?
What is your problem about the name of the car I want to buy? Send me the money, please.
I cannot give you money to buy what I don't know. I just need to know the name.
Yay!
Okay. So what happened to your car?
Another question. Okay. If you must know, my car knocked engine.
Then that is not a big problem. We can buy a brand new engine for that matter. It's not a big deal.
Hey. Urenna, do you know how much a new engine may cost? I don't want to banter words with you. Just send 50 million naira to my
house. That is not a big deal. Like I said, I have a mechanic. I can call him to come pick your car Then they'll work on it. Your car will be perfect, trust me. So don't worry, I'll send my mechanic to come pick the car. I'll give him the address to your house. He'll come pick it then. I'm coming.
Have a wonderful day.
Alright, Daddy.
Chief, this is getting out of hand. Chief.
Nkwachukwu kwere ndị njikọ ọka. You know, right?
Chief, what was all this drama that just happened now?
I'm not aware of any drama. What was the drama?
So you actually positioned this little brat to insult.
Can you stop calling her brat? I take exception to that. I listened to everything that was said. There was no insult. Why are you smuggling insult into it? I don't understand.
Anyway, for the records, she has just given me a polite insult.
What was the insult?
And I am thanking you for that.
What was the insult? What was the insult? You want something that you cannot present properly and you are calling it an insult?
Who is she to refuse giving me money?
She is the one who is now in charge. Make your presentation like someone who has gone to proper school. And I am sure your daughter will listen. That woman you are calling a brat is actually your daughter. Do not forget that.
Chief, I cannot take this rubbish. Never.
Even her enemies, they give her credit that she makes the best decisions always. Your own daughter, you who happens to be the mother, you are looking down on her. Can you just come down from your high horse? Fulfill the conditions given by the one in charge. And if actually you need a new car, that new car will come out.
Chief, please, what are you saying about my car?
Have a wonderful day.
Good day, man. You called me?
Yes, I wanted to let you know that from henceforth, anytime any of my family member comes here to see me, I want you to be here while we discuss.
Okay, man.
Yes, so my brother's on his way here.
I should see.
I guess I have the proposal, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you can have a seat.
Is he going to sit down here while we discuss?
Of course.
Why?
Do you have any problem with that?
I have problem with that, please. Can he kindly leave?
He's part of my team, so sit.
I can see that you want to insult me in the presence of this your so-called driver or taxi man, whatever his name is. Can he kindly leave so that we can discuss?
Can you kindly sit so that we'll discuss?
Yoba, go the other side.
I went through your proposal like I told you. And you said you copied it from AI, right? So I think you should... How am I saying I think? Because I'm certain. So, I want you to rewrite it.
I am not going to do it. Yeah, maybe I can go. If I try that, let me turn to tortoise. I'm not going to do it.
Fine, Mr. Tortoise, please leave my office.
For what? Are you sick in the head? I should leave my own father's office? Huh? What is... You are not going to do anything. This is my father's office. Yeah, he may never get and see, I am angry. Do it this morning. Send me this money. Let me leave this place, please. What is the problem? Lanya, don't get me. Send this money. Let me leave here. I will start that here.
I won't attend to you from now. I'm giving you 2 weeks suspension. I won't attend to you for 2 weeks.
Can't forget the pie first. Yeah, can't forget the pie. Don't worry. Chief will hear from me now.
Very loud.
I have talked to those boys and they have accepted the price. The problem now is, how are we going to raise the money? According to them, they said mobilization fee is very, very important.
Can you leave that to me? I'll get the money from Urena. I'll use the same money I get from her to terminate her. Don't bother yourself. She will not give you. Mom, I know how to handle her, trust me.
In that case, you have to be very, very fast because we don't have time on our side.
No. Why don't we go borrow him? Obru Lapo, I didn't put an ego.
What are we going to tender?
What a television they are.
Mbagwao.
No,
I cannot melt my chair or television. You want to do that to see me finish? I can't do that one, Mbagwao. I can't do it. No. Urena cannot see me finish.
Thank you.
Okay, hope there's no problem.
Yes, and not really.
Okay, so what's the problem?
Well, sis, I'll be needing some money to sort out some things.
If you ask me, I think you should not be talking about this money everything. This is an important thing I want you to really look into. Don't you think?
And what could that be?
You should settle down with the man.
You must be very stupid and out of your mind. Are you insane?
But I'm saying the truth. You're getting old and you don't...
Urena, it is that truth that will kill you. Can I at least get the money?
Okay? Since you don't want to hear the truth. So, what do you need the money for?
Come on, I'm an adult. I need to settle some stuff.
Okay, so stuff like what?
Urena, let me have the money.
But we don't have any idle money. Maybe even we have, I can just let you know. But for now, there's no money for that.
You are simply playing with fire. And I promise you, it's that fire that will consume you. Stupid thing.
Madam, does it mean they can look for a job and earn money themselves?
What's the meaning of that? Who gave you the right to poke nose in my matter? Please get out.
I'm sorry.
Come on, open it. Get out. Why are you blocking me?
They put instruction now. They put instruction. They say, man, no, they put instruction.
What is the instruction?
Say, man, no allow you. Oga Ekene and Madam Miracle enter this compound together. No one even seen a shadow at all. No one even enter.
Are you joking or what?
I go joke for you. How you try me say I dey joke again? I look like comedian. I dey tell you truth now.
So who puts the instruction?
And my small madam. My small madam put am. They push person, no allow person.
And you're stupid enough
Madam,
to abide by the instruction.
I know they stupid. Na my job.
You're very crazy.
They go sack me. They go sack me. Job no dey.
Come and get away.
Madam, go outside. No.
Imagine, no? Can you imagine this stupid one?
Say I dey play. You give me a... No hit my gate again, no.
Stupid one.
What you go dey speak English? You wan sack me? Go back.
May thunder fire that your mouth which you call me mom with.
What happened? What is it again?
You're asking me. Urena, asking me? You have done everything wrong. Urena, why are you this mean?
Tell me what I did so I can apologize.
I don't need your stupid apology. Keep it to yourself.
Okay.
I don't need them. Urena, why did you instruct the gate man not to allow us into the compound?
Because we all were constituting nuisance. The only way how to stop it was to limit you from entering there.
Urena, when did you grow these nerves? What impetus? What temerity? How dare you refer to your mother's action as being nuisance?
Madam, don't try that.
Please take her out of my office.
Who's this?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't do that! Take her out of my office!
Who are you?
I said, don't try it.
How can I?
Don't allow me to carry you.
Eh?
I will carry you.
Okay.
Leave, please.
Is that how? Eh? You now carry talks against me, Abi? Okay. Look, let me tell you. Okay. This is the beginning of your problem. Yes, Tago. I will deal with you. No problem. Okay, forgive. It's okay.
Sorry.
All I want is for peace to return.
Lock the door for me!
For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything we be united and bonded in love.
Carol. Afana. Where the bala? You bring her?
I don't carry anything come.
You not carry money come?
I swear.
So why you come to make me wait for you for here now? Why is it me we can't wait for you till you come meet us for here?
Carol. Nas. Na beg I dey wan beg una. You get as everything can't take play out. You get as things can't take solve. But no can dey again. Mana, you get the way I want me when take package this thing for me, I beg. I want me when help me execute this matter. I promise you and I swear here. I swear to God, I swear with my life. In fact, I swear with my own papa life. Once I take over family business, I swear, I go double the money for now.
So if you say if we define money double and you will commit, you go double the money. Wait.
See, Mr. Man, that's the way the talk no dey possible. You don't care whether you double or you not double. Please come talk with this one.
That's why they reason like this now. See, if say you get the way I go feel melt 1 or 2 for my body, take it a good decision. Just that man just
wait till they melt for your body, now gold do they find? You want melt your body, melt gold? The tell you not gold do they find?
Just imagine.
They leave this guy for you.
Let me package something for me again. No be me and you again.
Not come you. Not try him.
This life, Now who know you ain't gonna lose guard you for this life? Oh. Package something for me. Once I take over family business, everybody go smile. It just they lose guard me like that. Oh, wow.
All I want is for peace to return and everything will be okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful
For the past 2 days now, we have not eaten good food. We cannot continue like this. So. Just see how we are dressed. Just see how we are dressed and still hungry. What do we even do now? We just have to go back to your father and beg him for forgiveness.
The same thing I had always wanted you to do, but you refuse. Now, what makes you think he will listen to us?
Talking about my husband, your father. You. Well, father is a very kind-hearted and nice man. I think he will forgive us.
I remember when I went back home. He did. I saw the excitement in his face.
Oh.
He's peaceful as well. My only concern is Ure. Urena might not accept us back. Especially now she's in charge of our dad's wealth.
She has no option. That man is my husband. And he's your father. Oh.
So what are we going to do now?
What is this report you have been itching to give me?
Okay, so for the past 4 months that I've been in charge of the family business, we've recorded a profit of 700 million naira and 10% increase in workers' number. But you can still go and verify from the accountant of the company and the resource personnel department.
Give me one reason I have to go and begin to verify when you have given me the information. I trust you absolutely. I know that once you say it, that is it.
Okay, and another one, I have another project on table, which is to expand the business by opening another branch.
That is brilliant. You are the one in charge. If you feel opening another branch is go ahead and do it.
And I want to do that in Njikoka.
Why my village?
It seems you've forgotten the titled man. I want to bring back your chieftaincy title to light. You know, you cannot just be the Gwachikokerendi Njikoka in vain. You need to be in practice. So I want to bring you to the village. Then by the time we open this branch there, we'll employ a lot of youths. And you know that it will reduce crime.
I don't know. Should I tell you that this is about the most brilliant thing I have heard in years? Very brilliant indeed. Urena, you are now the one in charge. And if you feel that opening a new branch is okay, as long as it is for progress, you have my blessings. What's that?
Waiting happen now. They say Mona no enter this compound again now. They no want to see una shadow. They no tell una.
You are very, very stupid and sick in the head at the same time. Are you mad? Who are you to tell me not to enter my own father's house?
Oga tell me. Now all that way they give.
Now listen to me. I'm going to make sure that you are fired from this compound. You are very, very stupid.
Can leave this man alone?
No, you have not allowed me to.
No.
Let me just go to this idiot.
Can I stop? The other time they called me that you broke his waist.
Yes.
You should allow him. Just allow him, please.
This time around,
Stop. Ken, I don't like this thing you're doing. My friend, can you come and carry this man? There's a man alone. I enter compound. Are you shouting at me? Come and carry this man. I don't agree.
Doka, you may leave us.
Yes,
My husband. We have all realized our mistakes. I am very sorry for all the lies I lied against you. Please find it in your heart to forgive us. Please.
Mpan, we are sorry for believing in a lie.
Daddy, we are truly sorry from the depth of our hearts. This is the realest apology we've ever rendered to you. We are sorry, please. Forgive us.
Who in the world? What are you saying about this?
It's actually a very nice thing that they've realized their mistakes and want to return to the main building. You know, this is what we've always wanted.
Exactly. I am excited. Because this is what we have always wanted.
Yes.
To have a family that is united, family that is together, planning together and achieving success together.
In as much as they've apologized, I still think they need to go back to wherever they've been staying while I observe them from afar.
Why?
Because I want to protect my father. I don't want anything to happen to him. But if you think you can't do it, we can do something. We can all swear that nobody will indulge in anything that will bring him down.
Swear?
Listen. It is from our heart that we have decided to come back to the main house. We mean no harm, and we are ready to do anything.
Then we can swear. Let's just stand, move to him, place our hands on his head, then let's swear that whatsoever or whosoever that will plan to bring him down will first of all go down.
Swear?
Yeah, let's go.
Mind, Tiaga. Put your own hand.
So, any of you who will indulge in anything that will bring down my father will go down first.
All I want is for peace to return and everything may be okay. For us to leave us a happy family and with no fighting. All I want is a peaceful family again. Everything we be united and bonded in love, looking out for each other and with no fighting. But what is going on? We all are scattered and going solo. We should be bonded in love as one big happy family. But no, but why hating on one another when we should be strong together? Cause together we stand, divided we fall. I wish we can come together as one. All I want is for peace to return and everything yeah. For us to live as one happy family.